I downloaded a totally safe and free Minecraft mod. Let's conquer that crafty world with it. A virus is a type of malware, so if you want to understand virus, you need to understand malware first. Malware is simply malicious software. In fact, the word malware is a combination of malicious and software. Did you know there are different types of malware out there? Let's break it down one by one. First of all, we have virus. This is probably the most well-known type. A virus is a kind of malware that requires a host file to function, meaning it attaches itself to files or programs. Just like biological viruses need a host like a human body to survive and replicate. Computer viruses rely on files or user actions to spread. That similarity in behavior is exactly why we call them viruses. They can corrupt files, damage systems, or act as a delivery system for other malware. Second type, worms. Worms are the overachievers of the malware world. They self-replicate and spread across network without any user interaction. Unlike viruses, worms don't need a host file. They are standalone programs that exploit vulnerabilities to move from one system to another. Do you want a scary fun fact? Of course you want. The creator of one of the first worms, the Morris worm, later said he released it just to measure how big the internet was. Spoiler: the internet said, "Too big, bro." It spread like wildfire and caused massive disruptions. And my favorite one, Trojan horse. Like the sneaky wooden horse from Greek mythology. A Trojan pretends to be something useful or harmless, like a game, app, or file. But once you run it, boom, it delivers the hidden payload. That payload could be spyware, ransomware, or even backdoors for remote access. Ransomware. But before that, don't forget to show love to Dino by subscribing my channel and hitting that like button. This one is the digital kidnapper. Ransomware encrypts your files and demands payment, usually in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, to unlock them. It often spreads through phishing emails or bad downloads. And once it hits, good luck, unless you have got backups or deep pockets. Do you wanna cry? Oh sorry, I mean, do you know WannaCry? WannaCry, also known as WannaCrypt or WannaDecryptor, was a ransomware worm that hit the world hard. It was a nasty combo of ransomware and worm. And it means it encrypted users' file and demanded a ransom, usually something around $300 to $600 in Bitcoin. It spread automatically across networks using a window exploit, no clicking required. Just being on the same network was enough. That is awful, honestly. Spyware. Spyware silently monitors your actions, gathers personal data and sends it to the attacker. Keyloggers, a type of spyware, record your keystrokes, capturing your passwords, message, or anything you type. Creepy stuff. Botnet agents. These bad boys turn your device into a zombie, part of a larger network of infected machines that an attacker can control remotely. Botnets are often used for large-scale attacks like DDoS, spamming or crypto mining without your knowledge. At this point, I bet you guys are shouting, alright, we know what malware is. Now tell us how to stay safe from it. So let's begin. How do you save your assets from these evils? Use antivirus. Yes, antivirus still matters, especially if you are on Windows and you don't know what the hell you are doing. Use something good like Bitdefender, Kaspersky, yeah, I mean that Russian one, or even Windows Defender. Avoid those free scammy booster apps. If an app says it will speed up your PC and it looks like shit, just throw that junk away. And always remember, dude, update your damn software. I know, updates are annoying, but you know what else is annoying? Ransomware locking your laptop. Most viruses exploit old vulnerabilities that were patched years ago, but people just never update. So click that update now button before it's too late. And last one, have backups. By applying these notes, you will be safe and fine. Hold up, it's history time. The first computer virus. Before ransomware, before USB hacks, before your uncle clicked on hot singles in your area, there was the first actual computer virus. The first known virus wasn't made to steal passwords or mine Bitcoin. It was called Creeper, and it was created in 1971 by a guy named Bob Thomas at BBN Technologies. Why? Because Bob was like, hey, wouldn't it be cool if a program could move between computers on its own? That's it, just vibes. Creeper functionality was just displaying a simple message. I am the Creeper, catch me if you can. Creeper didn't destroy anything, it just jumped around like a show-off. First antivirus, Reaper. Every bad guy needs a hero, right? To counter Creeper, someone created Reaper, the first antivirus program. It tracked down Creeper and deleted it from infected systems. So yeah, the first virus and the first antivirus were made by engineers messing around like kids with Legos. So, from the goofy little creeper jumping between mainframes to full-on cyber weapons, viruses have evolved from harmless experiments to digital weapons of mass destruction. What started as a fun and code has now turned into multi-billion-dollar crime empire. Whether it's spyware, ransomware, or some bad USB you found in a parking lot. One thing is for sure, malware isn't going away, it's just getting sneakier. You don't need to be a hacker to stay safe. Just keep your software updated, don't click dumb links, use antivirus and back up your files. Viruses are scary, but they are also fascinating as hell. They reveal how powerful our tech world really is. If you enjoyed this video, slap that subscribe button like it owes you money. Drop a like to help this virus of a video infect the YouTube. Catch you on the next one.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.